Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video I'm going to review 3 top altcoins on the first 50 of the list of CoinMarketCap. These are 3 coins that even if we are in a bull market, I think they still are undervalued, and because of their market cap, still with great potential to make 5 to 10x on the peak of the market. And before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and join me in Twitter in CryptoC State. I am posting exclusive trade alerts there. And leave me a comment on the YouTube video. Are you holding these coins? What are your thoughts on these top 3 altcoins on the video? Without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, well, the first altcoin that I want to talk is Solana. Right now, Solana is ranked in position 24 on CoinMarketCap, almost $14 the value. And if we review here the price for the beginning of January, almost $2 the value, and then we have a peak of $17. This was almost 10x on the price, and right now we are consolidating on $14. But our all-time high was already $17. So from 2 months ago, if you invest in Solana, you have been made 10x already. And that is a lot. And I want to show you, for example, Ethereum, which is the coin after Bitcoin, is the most important coin right now. If we invest in the same date, the 1st of January at $740, and we have been sold on the last peak that we have at the end of February at 2000, that will be almost 3x, not even 3x, a little less than that. I want to show you this because not always the coins that we have in the top 10 are the most profitable coins. Actually, if you invest in coins outside of the top 10, you have still a little more risk maybe, but the chances that make more X on your investment are bigger. So if you are only investing part of the portfolio in the top 10, I recommend you to still watching these new altcoins or altcoins that even they have great projects and a lot of partnerships and stuff. You have the possibility to increase your money more, because at the end of the time, even if you like a project, you are here to make money and you should not be emotionally attached to any project. But what is Solana? So Solana, like Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, and many others, are blockchain platforms. Solana is a fast, secure, and censorship-resistant blockchain providing the open infrastructure required for global adoption. Basically, one important thing of Solana is that Solana can process 50,000 transactions per second. And actually, if you check in their website, they brag a little bit about that. They have like a demo application to test the velocity of the transaction, which is very impressive. And I think right now it's one of the fastest blockchains in the market. Another technical thing to consider is that Solana is very scalable. Solana leverage proof of history, which is a different protocol than proof of work or proof of stake. I will explain a little bit what proof of history is. The fees of the transactions are very, very low. And Solana is designed that the fees never increase in a proportion that it will be not profitable to the applications and the users to perform actions over the blockchain. And they are composable. So Solana single global state ensures composability between projects. This is called in another project like interoperability between projects or blockchains also. So to show you what is proof of history, I will share this video of 1 minute. It will be faster than me explaining what it is. So here we go.
Proof of history enables the blockchain to work fast while maintaining security and decentralization. Here's an analogy. If snapshots of dye diffusion were scrambled, you would know how to place the resulting images in order again because of the laws of entropy as a function of time. Proof of history uses a recursive verifiable delay function to hash incoming events and transactions. Every event has a unique hash and count along this data structure as a function of real time. This information tells us what event had to come before another. almost like a cryptographic timestamp, giving us a verifiable ordering of events as a function of time. Each node gets a cryptographic clock that helps the network agree on time and ordering of events without having to wait to hear from other nodes. Unlike slower, traditional blockchains, oftentimes throttled by various consensus mechanisms, Solana achieves high throughput without sacrificing network security. Visit Solana.com to learn more.
Well, Solana, besides having great partnerships, the main core of Solana is the technology, and we can see in this article where does the future of DeFi belongs, Ethereum or Bitcoin expert answers. Solana is very connected to DeFi ecosystem, and for example, Anthony Campsey, founder of Golden Algorithm, say, I think winners in the DeFi space will be fast movers with robust technology, such as Project Ethereum, built on the lightning-fast Solana blockchain with much cheaper transaction fees that back it up with massive liquidity and interoperable with Ethereum and Bitcoin. And also Kyle Kistner, co-founder of BCX. Ethereum continues to be primary interest of serious builders in the industry, but it's clear that other layers ones are starting to acquire interest and talent. In our view, the four most important layer ones right now are Polkadot, Avalanche, Binance Smart Chain, and Solana. So Solana is also in this boom like Binance Smart Chain did. You can see my previous video about Binance. They are exploding on the DeFi ecosystem world. And also, for example, the same that happened with Binance Smart Chain and SushiSwap. SushiSwap is deploying contracts on 5 new networks, and top decentralized exchanges are exploding alternatives to Ethereum and high gas prices, with SushiSwap porting his platform onto 5 additional networks. And we can see here that on March 3, SushiSwap CTO Joseph DeLong announced the DEX had deployed contracts on XDay, Moonbit Network, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and Phantom. And DeLong noted Sushi is planning additional future deployments, including an Optimism. A Solana port is also under consideration. So Solana is exploding right now, creating a lot of value in DeFi ecosystem, mainly because the interoperability, the fees on the transaction are very cheap, and also the high speed on the transaction velocity. So great thing for Solana, and this is one of the 3 coins that I think it will continue exploding, and you probably will see, I don't know if 10x, 130, but if you see here, Solana right now is in position 24, and the market cap is $3 billion for Solana, 3.5 billions. And for example, if we make 5x that, it will be 15 billions, and that will put Solana between Uniswap and Litecoin. But for that time being, I don't think 17 billion is too much right now. We are in a bull market, and obviously the top 10 will increase. Also, I don't know if 5x, but in the same time that Solana could achieve this 17 billion dollars, I think many other altcoins will be up in market cap. I don't say that Solana could be in the top 10, but I really think that a 5x on the price is very possible on the next month or in the peak of the bull run. Our second coin is Avalanche. Avalanche is right now in the position 42 on CoinMarketCap. The value right now is $26, and they have been running a lot. Also, from 1st of January, from $3, we went right into $59. So we did almost 20x here in value in 1.5 months. And right now we are consolidating in $25. So Avalanche has been exploding like crazy. Another example of why you should have some of your portfolio outside of the top 10 coins. Actually, from the coin 10 to the 100, you have great projects. But what is Avalanche? Avalanche is an open source platform for launching highly decentralized applications, new financial primitives, and new interoperable blockchains. So we have another blockchain platform, but a little different than Solana. This is very specialized on decentralized applications and DeFi ecosystem also. Build your own custom blockchain or digitalize any asset with arbitrary complex rule sets. So what can we do with Avalanche? We can launch and customize blockchains, private and public. With Avalanche, you can deploy blockchains that fit your own application needs, build your own virtual machine, and dictate exactly how the blockchain should operate. You can create also trade digital assets. Avalanche enables the launching of smart assets or digital representation of real-world assets that obey especially parameters and trading restrictions better than any other platform. And you can build scalable smart contracts and dApps. So we have another exploding project on protocols. One thing for Avalanche is that it's backed by prominent cryptocurrency firms, including the Mike Novogratz Galaxy Digital. That's very important because they have a lot of money to expend on projects, and they're backing Avalanche. Bitmain and Initialized Capital are also backing this project, which already has the mainnet launch. We have seen this on February that Ethereum network competitors like Avalanche, Matic, and Chilo are seeing substantial gains as high gas fees push users to search for cheaper alternatives. This is also like with another blockchain and what happened with Binance Smart Chain, that because of the Ethereum fees and congestion of the network, a lot of these blockchains are keeping projects and DeFi applications moving from Ethereum to these new or relative new platforms from blockchain decentralized finance or blockchain decentralized applications. And Avalanche is one of them, and recently was added into KuCoin. So Avalanche is also growing a lot. Like we saw on the prices, we already have been exploding. So if you invested in January, that will be 20x for now. But our peak was at $60, and right now we are at 26. So you can easily make 2x here, 100x for the all-time high. But our market cap is only 2 billion right now, so I think 5x or 10x are still in the cards for this bull run. Hey guys, and the third coin is PancakeSwap. Right now it's in position 48 on CoinMarketCap. The value is almost $12. And PancakeSwap is one of the coins that have been the best performer in the last 2 months. If we check from end of December, 1st of January, it was at 60 cents. And from there, in 2 months, 1 month and a half, we hit $18. And it was like 30x or something like that in the price. Right now we are consolidating at $12, but we can obviously see the all-time high of $19 again very soon. If you go to PancakeSwap, it's PancakeSwap.finance. This is the decentralized exchange. And the important thing is that this is running not with Ethereum, but Binance Smart Chain. And Binance has been also in a hype. You can check my last video regarding Binance. And I mentioned PancakeSwap there. And PancakeSwap is a Binance Smart Chain powered decentralized exchange, and AMM, that allows anyone to swap BEP20 tokens efficiently and safely. The platform is comparable to Uniswap, which is the major competitor, and in that it provides a decentralized trading experience combined with liquidity pools. PancakeSwap is the largest dApp on the Binance Smart Chain and is seen by many as a project with endless potential. As such, the platform is very popular and currently has 4 billion in locked liquidity at this time. And like we said, it's Binance running on Binance Smart Chain, and one of the characteristics of this is the low fees, which is the main problem right now with Uniswap in Ethereum. PancakeSwap is working a lot on the new in version 2. They have a complete roadmap updated here, but basically the release date for V2 is planned for the second quarter of this year. There will be a migration of the master chef contract to make the new futures possible. The old contract was not suited for these changes, so a migration is necessary. With the migration, we will have the ability to create a referral program and a lot of more things. Also, the best performance for the lending and borrowing into the exchange. And if we go to the top 100 DeFi coins for market capitalization on CoinGecko, we can see that PancakeSwap is in position 14, also with one of the best coins to invest in the DeFi ecosystem. And for the top decentralized exchange, PancakeSwap is leader in the top 3, right before Uniswap, and we already have a $700 million volume per day. Basically, we trade wrap BNB with Binance USD. I don't know. I still see a lot of potential. Even PancakeSwap already has been doing a 30x on the price. We need to understand that right now we only have 1.5 billion of the total market cap. So if we go to 10x from here, for example, that will put us in 10.5 billion. That will be near the top 10, like Chainlink right now, for example, a little less. And I think we are still in wave 1 of the bull market, so I still consider that PancakeSwap could be on the top 20. So 10x, 5 to 10x is still possible for this coin. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. These are 3 smart investment opportunities for these altcoins. And please, before we finish the video, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Most of you are continue seeing my videos each time, but are not subscribed to the channel. So please subscribe and click the bell to get the notifications. And remember, join me on Twitter in CryptoSea State. I see you in the next video.